One of the things we've learned over the years is that it's imperative that we don't have an arrogance or a pride that suggests that we know what we're doing without having independent authorities double check our work, if you will. So we have, just like on your toaster, you have a UL or an ETL sticker. We've gone to ETL and have them do independent laboratory testing on our circuit boards, on our power supplies, to make sure that the controllers can never catch on fire, they can never short out and create a problem. And in conducting these tests and passing these tests, we get something called a certification label. It's an authorization to mark this unit with a label that says, yes, this is safe and it's been proved by an independent testing lab. We've also done that on the structural side with mechanical engineers who have come in and determined exactly how much force is exerted on each wood screw and how much force is exerted on the track and the floor and the other elements of the car. During the testing of the unit itself, we put 2,000 pounds on the car to make sure that even if somebody overloaded it 5 times the rated load, that the car would not break and nothing would fail on it, and we had no issues with that. So we've conducted a battery of tests, 10,000 cycles on a motor and gear to make sure it wouldn't fail during any of that time frame. Just everything you can think of on this unit has been tested, and including every single unit is installed to completion in our shop, so that before this unit comes to you, it's been put on our test tracks, it's been built to completion, it's been tested above the capacity rating to make sure everything works, then it's taken back down and shipped to the customer. What it means is they haven't been able to get that certification because there's no competitor out there that doesn't make an attempt at doing this. And the reason for that is we're in a very libelous society where there's a propensity to sue at the drop of a hat. And failure to be able to meet certain regulations is something that any manufacturer doesn't want to be shouldered with if there's an issue or a problem with a unit. So what you find is the reason they haven't met it is because almost every competitive list is made overseas. They're either made in China or they're made in some other countries whereby they don't have the ability to meet the stringent US standards that we have to meet here.